Hey guys, welcome. This is MC. Today's vlog is going to be about the makeup fair. So we're live at the makeup fair, the 70th edition of the makeup fair, and there are a lot of exhibitors here. The hall is packed full, like it's full to the brim. You cannot even see space to walk. So like I said, this is the 70th edition. This is the Lagos makeup fair. Usually it's 2 days. We have day one. So this is day one. This is Sunday, June 13, 2021. So we're going to be here tomorrow as well, but let me just take you in to see what we have. We have a lot of Nigerian brands here, lots of them. We have a lot of people also selling international brands, and the venue is in Ikeja, Classic Event Center in Ikeja. That's where we're having this event, and it's a paid event, 500 naira pay and you enter. They give you a wristband like this, and then you go in and then you participate. You go shop till you knock yourself out. So behind me are the list of vendors. I'm not going to show you the vendors that we have inside, just in case we miss them inside. So keep watching, and just don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and drop a comment. We'd love to hear from you.
From the backdrop, you can see that there are a lot of brands present. A lot of them are Nigerian brands. That's BN, that's me, that's Elsa Pro, there's Vintage, a lot of them, Cosmetics, a lot of brands are present. And then most of them are having discount sales, promos, trying to get new distributors to themselves. So if you don't buy from them at this fair, you can always reach out to them on Instagram, to follow up and see what they have in their store. That's Jeremy, the official photographer. He's always been there. That's Ify. She's one of the team members as well. That is Matilda. And we have people in booths and table stands. The table stands are the ones in between the aisle, while the booths are at the extremes. So people are selling as they want to. So as you can see, it's so jam-packed. We have people selling accessories. We have people selling beauty items, hair, skincare, just everything beauty. It's just not a makeup fair alone. You understand? So it's everything beauty, makeup, hair, skincare, nail care, everything beauty. It's under the same roof, and they're here. So they can see Lash Merchant. That's Oyinks. So she launched her eyeshadow palette. I was so interested. I had to go see myself. They're very affordable, by the way. So you can follow our page. I love the concept that she went ahead to use a Ankara fabric to do the design. That was very, very beautiful. It just shows that some people are putting thought and effort into it. And the pigmentation of the eyeshadow is not bad as well, because I tried them, but I didn't wear them for long. That's from Motayo, my baby girl. She sells accessories. She sells beautiful accessories. That's Beauty Essentials by Ensure. Just do beauty accessories and cleaning hygiene. That's my brand anyway. And that's Yinka and Chidi. So that's another brand, 89 Cosmetics. I like their packaging. I like everything about it. I saw it, and because I was short for time, I couldn't really buy a lot. But I'm definitely going to be visiting some of those vendors here site. So she has beautiful products. I love the packaging as well. Like I said, it's girly, pinky. This is Atata. Atata is a beauty store that is like a makeup retailer. She sells different brands. That is Winx Lashes. So Winx Lashes is known for her baddest design. Like if you want the baddest lashes in the game with crazy design, Winx Lashes is your go-to-go. Hey, Marianne, that's my girl. Yeah, she's very hardworking. Yeah, so that's Miriam. Then this is Blood Beauty. This is Funke, another hardworking lady. This is Younger Beauty stand. They have their brush sets, their newly launched brush sets on display. That's Esther. Having fun. And that's Nia spray. So they have setting spray, they have makeup setting spray, and then also other things as well. Okay, So this is All Skin. All Skin, like they are also a beauty retail store. Then there's Polar Beauty. Polar Beauty has our own line: pencils, mascaras, lip glosses. This is at Nana. Nana sells, is a beauty retailer as well. Then there's Beastmead Makeup. Beastmead Makeup too has beauty. I love their packaging. That's one of the things I love about this brand. Their packaging. Their product is not bad, but their packaging stands out, like the shape and everything. Then there's Flawless Ivy as well. There's Beyond Beauty. So there's a drone also capturing everything we're doing at the Fed. Then there's Rlg Cosmetics Liberty, a very lovely hardworking lady as well. She flew all the way from. In fact, let me not even give you back end gist, but she's very dedicated and passionate about her brand. Rlg Cosmetics. They have they have eyeshadow. Um, this is Shade Crown. Shade Crown is another beautiful Nigerian brand. I mean, she's been on a spree lately. She's been back to back releasing new launches. She has a glow mist, lashes, pencils, lip glosses, brow gel, everything. Then there's Rubelite, there's Dan Beauty. This one is lashes. This is Moorish. A lot of them. This is MK Beauty. I think another beauty retailer. And there's TM Essential, there's Luster, there's Tia Beauty. There are a lot of them. There's Sopra as well. I love that lip glosses. I was going to get it. Unfortunately, I forgot. I'll go back. There's an Omaria Cold. Omaria Cold because she does a lot of skincare. Then there's Rlg Cosmetics, also brush cleaner. And I think she just newly launched her lip tints. There's Beauty Espresso. Beauty Espresso. That's my girl. Very hardworking young lady. I'm so proud of her. I mean, even with all that drama, she's trying. It's not easy to participate in this fair, I must tell you, because I've been doing it for years. And so this is Label makeup, Label eyeshadow, lip glosses, lashes. The brand packaging, everything I love. Very, very on point. So let's move to Beauty by Art. Beauty by Art, I was blown by their packaging. That's another brand that is impressing me with their packaging. I mean, the way it looked, it was so beautiful. They've taken time and put thought into this, and I must give it to them. Well done. Then there's Beauty Line by Didi. So this is an OG eyebrow brand. And there's the host, Matilda. So Matilda is been around like forever. That's my G. So we'll go around again. The Alich Planet, Beauty Planet. I think there's Linda somewhere. Then this cosmetics box NG. So this she just sells acrylic boxes. I think she has makeup boxes as well now. But they are so affordable and so beautiful. So all of them have Instagram handles, so you can always, that's beautiful lady. You can always reach out to them to buy. Then there's Wholesale Beauty of my baby Evelyn. This is the Ali. She's also a hardworking woman. Wholesale also has, she's a big beauty retailer too. You can buy stuff from her and you can pre-order. Okay, then there's Perfume and Beyond. These ones have everything perfume. So there's T Cosmetics. T Cosmetics also is a beauty line, a Nigerian beauty line. I haven't tried this, my first time seeing them. That's if he's doing a hands-on class. But I love their packaging. I love the way it looks. They put thought into it. I love, that's the kind of thing that moves me. So I met a lot of people as well. We like mini reunion, catching up on old times, and I had fun. And tall black chick. That's my first time meeting her in person. She's such a fantastic lady. A lot of people that I met for the first time, and I'm so happy that I was there. I was able to be there, but I couldn't make it for the second day because I was busy. This is Beauty by Heart, and I think her sister, they look alike, but she really tried. Lovely person. This is Top Glam, very camera shy. That's Taiwo Touch. Everybody's masking up. That's Mitchell and Chooks and Yinka, and that's it. So the fair, all in all, wasn't a bad one. Or the time for people, if you have never attended a fair, I think you should plan to attend one. Because it's the platform where you can network, meet other makeup artists, meet the brands. You eventually cut the cake because it was the 70th edition, and I must say that Lola has been. I mean, she's blessed. She's. So keep inspiring and keep making us proud, and we're all behind you solidly. This is Otis and Najis, and they finished shopping, and everybody's out. So this is the magazine that they launched. Lola Fale So this is the magazine she launched on that day. This is for the 70th edition of the Makeup Fair. That's Omolola Fale, by the way. If you don't know her, please kindly go on Google and search for her. So she's the brain behind Pops Concept, and she's been able to do a lot of stuff on that platform. One of the things that makes us fair, the makeup fair stands out, is she's very selfless. She goes all out for the exhibitors. Sometimes when we have to travel out of Lagos, which is our environment, from the booking to the accommodation, I mean, she ensures that everybody is safe. She calls, she worry. She also makes sure that everybody, gets a space. She's just a generally selfless person, and I can't even thank her enough. So these are people. Most of the exhibitors are showcased in the magazine, and you have a lot of brands also showcasing in the magazine. We have people from Abuja, Calabar, Benin, Port Harcourt, a lot of big brands, general makeup artists from all over Nigeria are there. So you can send idea to get your own copy. Then these are the items I got at the fair. So Maybelline 30 hours, which is quite new. Then I got the muff spray. Those are from Wholesale Beauty Hub. Then the skincare, which was the sunscreen and this all clean product, and the lip balm I got from Beauty Espresso. And then I have pencils from lip gloss from Zara. That's the famous, I think, 18 karat or 24 karat. I don't know, but I just love that color, that nude. Then the pencil from Polar Beauty, the white and blue, and then RLG lip pencil. So thank you guys for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.